Hi, Clark Harvey, the barbecue mortgage guy, owner of First Rate Mortgage. I've been helping clients for over 22 years in both residential and commercial lending. I just want to talk about the market today and the interest rates and what the Feds do, coronavirus, what's happening there. Well, about 3 weeks ago, the coronavirus kind of was made public and it really started to affect the stock market, and it was tanked pretty heavily that week. And so mortgage rates fell immediately because mortgage rates typically don't like, or excuse me, they do like a struggling economy, so the rates go lower. And so then the Feds met that following Tuesday and then lowered by half a point the federal lending rate. Well, that doesn't translate to lower mortgage rates, and I'll explain. What the Feds do when they raise or lower the federal lending rate is what the banks can lend to each other overnight. That affects short-term loans, auto loans, things like credit cards, home equity lines of credit, business lines of credit, things like that. And so when they lowered that, it actually hurt the mortgage rates significantly. And so we've seen nothing but a trend for the last 2 weeks of the rates going up and having multiple 3-4 times a day price changes. So when we quote somebody, it has been really difficult to meet that quote unless they have all their stuff. Otherwise, we chase, it's like kicking the can down the road. So what I'm recommending to all my clients is, if you are serious about refinancing, send me all your stuff. It's on my website, clarkharvey.com, on the Apply tab. Just go through the 4 steps. I need all those things. Then we have a discussion and go over everything. I've got all your stuff. I've looked at it. We actually have an accurate credit, and so we can price it accurately. And if you're good with everything, we can lock it right then and there and not wait and miss out on the market. That way I have all your stuff, we can get it submitted to underwriting, we can disclose it right away. I've felt this is the most prudent thing to do in today's market. Otherwise, we are spending hours and hours and hours of time saying the same thing, and we just don't have that kind of time. It's unprecedented, the volume right now. So the volume is so huge that we're getting applications just all day and all night long. And what's going to happen is underwriting times are already swelling up. Appraisers are getting further behind. Title companies, insurance, everyone that's involved in the process, they're normally we would lock a deal on maybe 15, 30-day lock. We're looking at minimum 45-day locks, maybe 90, maybe 120-day locks. We're not sure how that's going to look and translate. So my recommendation to you, if you are serious, just use my secure system and we can get all your information, have that conversation one time, and then we're done. Lock it and set it and forget it. And what that means when we do lock it is that we're protected for the market, providing we close and fund that deal within the lock period of the rates. If they go up, great, we have locked in. If they go down, we're locked in. And we don't play the game of bouncing all over the place. We have commitments to our lenders, our financial commitments that they do when they lock a deal. So we'd like you to be committed to us, because we are committed to you when you lock a deal. You're going to hear and see a lot of different things. Because the reality when it comes to an interest rate, you can have 10 different people and they'll all have 10 different rates, because we don't know what the loan size is, what the property type is, what type of loan is it? Is it an FHA, VA, conventional? Is it a home equity line of credit? You know, someone's bragging at the water cooler, hey, I got this rate at 2.75. Well, that guy did a 10-year loan or whatever. We just don't know. So when you see billboards and rates all over the place, what did it cost to get that rate? Do you know? And can you get that in writing? Because that means nothing over the phone. Once we have that discussion, I will lock you in and get you taken care of right away. Hope this helps. Clark Harvey, 801-562-9100, or you can go to clarkharvey.com. Thanks and have a great day.